People in ancient times thought about elements. Aristotle, a Greek philosopher who lived more than 2,000 years ago, taught that only 4 elements were used in various combinations to make everything in the universe. He identified these elements as earth, fire, air, and water. To illustrate his point, he used this famous example. When a piece of wood burns, you can see the fire escaping from it as flames. The air from within the wood escapes as smoke. When the wood has been completely burned, the ashes that are left represent the earth. So, wood is made of fire, air, and earth. To people living at the time, this made very good sense, and Aristotle's ideas about the 4 elements of matter were widely accepted.
One Greek thinker believed differently than Aristotle. Democritus taught his students that matter was made up of small particles he called atoms, which he derived from the Greek word atomus, which means cannot be divided. He explained that if a loaf of bread were broken into pieces, even the smallest crumbs we can see are still bread. But if you could continue to divide the bread into smaller and smaller pieces, eventually you would have to stop when you had only 1 atom of bread. That atom could not be further divided. Democritus's ideas were rather close to what is now thought to be true about matter, but for 2,000 years after his death, people continued to believe in the 4 elements that Aristotle proposed.